see another one?
Yeah.
Where?
Purple.
A purple. Yay! You see any more?
Yeah.
Where?
6.
What color is it? You see another one?
Yeah.
Yay! Is there any more?
Yeah.
Oh, look! Come here, Callum. Come in here. Yay!
Yay.
Yay! You see any more?
Yeah.
Where are they? Where's the eggs?
Purple.
Is there any more?
Yeah.
Oh, look. Yay! Is there any more?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Purple.
You see any more? Is there another one, Callum?
Yeah.
You see it? Look on Mama's chair. You see it? Show Grandpa.
Got some eggs there, did you?
Yeah.
Well, good. How many did you get?
We'll put them up there. Let's
Should we
see.
sit down here and count
Oh,
them?
wait a minute. There's one more. One more, Callum. Callum, where is it?
Over here.
Is there another egg? Yay! What color is that one?
Purple.
Oh, let's see what's inside them.
Come here. Look at that basket. What's that? A big boy cup?
Well, look in your basket.
Let's look in here. Look. Let's look.
Let's see that. Can you sit down there and open your basket?